Hello, everyone, and welcome to Module 5 of my TikTok Mastery course. Today, we're going to be going over building a community with your TikTok page. This is after you've already got a lot of content, a decent following, and you're looking to just kind of build a community. You're not necessarily looking to profit off the community, especially not right away. What I'm currently doing is I'm just giving all this information out for free, and I want to build a community really to build my YouTube, but also I think community is super powerful. Just networking is something you always want to be doing in the online business field, which this is. Not only networking, but if other people are doing the same thing as you, there's just a lot to learn from people who are doing the same stuff as you, even if they're quote unquote an apprentice to your teaching here, which is somewhat of how I guess my community is now, because I'm giving all this away. People are asking me questions, but as people go on down the road, they may figure some things out that you didn't know before, which just becomes extremely valuable to you. There's really no reason to ever try and gatekeep information like this. You can try and sell courses and stuff. I'm not really a fan of that, as I've mentioned earlier. I think I'll be more successful and actually be better off just giving this away for free. Not trying to be like everyone else and sell it to you. So before I get into the whole community building, I just want to briefly touch base on my account, give a little update. I think it's fun to do. Sitting at 57.4 thousand followers, 1.3 million likes. We currently are testing some new ClickBank products in our bio. So far, no sales, and the hops have been pretty small, so not many clicks either. However, I think that's just because I haven't had any videos blow up. I'm going to wait till I have another video kind of go viral before I gauge if I need to make an adjustment or not, because the bio link clicks have just been really small. As you can see, my videos here are not performing super hot right now, and that's just part of the TikTok cycle. Sometimes you're really hitting it big, hit a video, hit now 4 million views, and it's still going, and that's been amazing. And then other times you just have to eke it out. But it's all about consistency, staying motivated even when you're not seeing 10,000 follower a day type days all the time. It's just part of the game, and you have to just learn to enjoy it. It's not always just going to be explosive, even though I'm still gaining probably 1,000 to 1,500 followers a day, even with minimal views at this point. So it's nothing I can even possibly complain about. But yeah, that's just kind of a brief update on my account. And then building a community. I think Discord is so powerful for community, guys. As you can see, my small little Discord here, currently at 29. Hopefully by the time you're watching this, we're at hundreds or thousands. I don't even want it to be that huge, guys, but I just think having, a few more members to the point where it's kind of constantly active and people are just talking amongst each other all the time about strategies and ideas is really where I'd like to see this grow to. As always, my Discord link will be below if you're interested in that. Just a lot of people doing the same thing I'm doing. We're just kind of discussing ideas. Great place to come and get information. Great place to get background videos or anything, whatever you need for videos. This is really the place to come. But yeah, so basically what I'm going to do to help you guys build your own Discord. Again, this whole course is designed for you guys to do exactly what I'm doing and imitate it. As close to exact as you want. Obviously, you can make some adjustments if you think I'm doing things bad or you think you could do certain things better. Of course, there's always room to grow. But I really just want to give you guys all the tools needed to do exactly what I'm doing and have the success I'm having. Again, not that I'm having crazy success. As far as TikTok growth is going, I'd say we're doing really well. But as far as, monetization and whatnot so far, and even building a community, is a step behind that even. So I'm just kind of showing you guys what I'm doing live, and I want you guys to be able to do the exact same thing. And with that being said, you can see just kind of the layout of my Discord here. I've got the welcome tab with verification, little information zone where only I can type. Community, this is our area for just all kinds of discussion. And then I've added some tracker bots, ticket bot, there's a voice channel. It's got pretty much all the basic necessities, I think, and it's really organized well. I spent a few hours on this, probably about 4 hours, honestly. And for any of you that are familiar with Discord, you might think that's a really long time just for this. But coming in, with almost no Discord server experience. Gonna have to cut me some slack on that. It's just, it is what it is. I had to learn literally everything from the basics, from setting up a server to this Me6 bot. I was just watching YouTube video after YouTube video, and I can make a tutorial if you guys want to know how to use the bots and the exact setup. But to help you guys grow, I will be linking my exact server template below, and that'll save you guys probably, hour and a half, 2 hours. If I had that, it would have saved me so much time, and it's a really good template. So make sure to take full advantage of that. And yeah, it'll be linked below. You can set up a server just like mine. Try and grow a community, guys. It's really, really powerful and a really, really good tool for TikTok or for any social platform you have, any following. You want to, make a community, have people talking with each other, and it all relates back to you at the end of the day, which is pretty great. As far as community goes, there's a few other things you can do, like live video. I'm going to make a video like that with my test account going forward, where I just test going live, seeing if I can generate followers from different live strategies. So stay tuned for that. I think I've got one more video in this course. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'll probably try and at least release it tomorrow or sometime in the near future. We're just going to do a case study of some other accounts and some other things you can kind of do with this strategy, slightly different strategies, and just see if there's possibly more room to grow with some different tactics. But that's all for this one. Again, I was going to keep this one pretty short. Next one, probably pretty short as well, but hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, this is part 5. I'll catch you guys in the next one.